Hello again. It is me over at QVC, part 2 of our Sunday holiday celebrations that we have going on. So this morning I was on earlier, not sure if you were able to catch it, but we did a little sneak peek on air of our limited edition 16-inch platters in the gift boxes. We did a nutcracker, we did a snowman, and of course we did our gingerbread. Hello, Monica. I love that you are always like one of the first to hop on. Makes me smile. Hello, everyone. Thank you for jumping on. Hello, Nicole. Hello, Angie. I think I'm saying that right. What a beautiful way to spell it. Hello, Aubrey. Lisa Lasort's in the house, ladies and gentlemen. Lise, we're giving some more sneak peeks. So if you missed the holiday platter, I have to tell you, it's ridiculously cute. I wasn't planning on showing you, but I'm going to walk on over here. Come on over. Okay, take a peek. I'm not even going to turn the camera around. Actually, I'm going to pull it forward and show you. Maybe I should turn the camera around. Oh, who's kidding? Okay, there's the gingerbread. What I love about this is it's a divided tray because you have these wells in here. It's nice and deep. It's not just a flat tray. It's actually a serving tray as well, besides just like a platter. And here we did, of course, a little cardinal for my dad. That's our gingerbread from, of course, all of our whimsy characters. Hello, Bonnie Jean. It's nice to see you too. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Stacy. Hello, Kate Wheeler. I'm saying hello to myself. Ooh, it's been a long 25 days of temptations, but we're having fun, that's for sure. Okay, so there was our gingerbread. Lisa actually came up with a really cute idea that we should be naming all of our characters, not just, of course, our Wimbley, our reindeer. Then, of course, we have our adorable Nutcracker. Love, love, love. Hello, Melody. Hello, Judy. Hello, Marilyn. Hello, everyone. We're going to show you what's coming up. Sneak peek. Sneak peek. Okay. Stay focused, Tara. And then, of course, uber super duper popular was our snowman this morning. So these are literally our whimsy characters that are brought to life. So I love these pieces. They're part of our limited edition collection. They're 16 inches. They're under $28. And you guys, they come in a gift box if you're thinking about gifting it, or I love it as a storage box for when I put all of my Christmas stuff away. I know exactly where everything is. So cuteness overload with our whimsy characters. And then speaking of cuteness overload, here it is, you guys. Our teapot, which we're going to be debuting very soon with Sandra. Here it is. It's a 1-quart teapot. So I love this. It's such a great one for one or two, mainly two probably. You have that adorable lid that comes off. It's got the little catch there, of course. Nice deep reservoir that you see. And I love to show you the inside too, because you really can see the sculptural and the molding detail that goes into all of these. Hope you're going to do a Wimbley one. Noelle, you know it. Noelle, am I still going to see you in the live studio audience on Wednesday? I hope so, my dear. But look at this, all faceted, all of the beautiful boughs that you see on the tree. Look at all the sculptural detail. All of those ornaments are hand painted on as well. It's got that beautiful skirt, that tree skirt at the bottom, your pour spout, and I show you that because it's nice and wide. It's such a perfect way, of course, and isn't this so sweet? Nestled in the center of your table. Yes, of course, it can go in the microwave so you can reheat your tea and your coffee, but it's really about, much like our church, if you missed our church cookie jar, take a peek at that because that becomes not only a functional piece, but it's also something that you can use decoratively. So can I just say, look at our amazing stylists and all the food that they put together, just because you can't have tea and coffee without dessert. So that is one of the new items coming up in the show. Moving right along. Look at, I got to tell you, it's absolutely stunning. I love this. Hello to the more than 425 people who just jumped on to say hello. Did you see our whimsy cookie jar? So cute with our adorable snowman and our gingerbread, floral lace old world, the rolling pins under the windows, the cardinal for my dad. Ugh, this piece is just happy. It makes me so happy. And I don't know, I think there might still be some left of our centerpiece bowl, but that also, there's Wimbley sneaking through. Noel, there he is. And then look how sweet, just to go ahead and use that teapot. as a little flower vase. Why not? Put it in the center of your table and you're all good and ready to go. Patty, I believe the show is sold out. Sorry, my friend. I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. Of course, Lisa will be chatting on Facebook, so don't you worry. Okay, here it is. The Whimsy clock. So I don't know if you know this, but I created the clock because of my father-in-law. Yes, Edward Tesher's dad, Sidney, and his wife always collected clocks. And when you go to their home, there are so many clocks there. And I saw that my sister-in-law is on. Anita, hello. So she's probably shaking her head and saying, don't you know it? And he was like, why don't you do a clock? So we debuted a traditional clock probably, at this point, a couple of years ago. And then I thought it would be so fun to do not only a whimsical clock, but also a limited edition in our metallic clock. Because I know many of you have stainless steel appliances or you have silver and gold accents. So really it's one of those things where you look around your house and you say, do I have more silver or do I have more gold? And then that clock works perfectly. So there, of course, is our mix of our old world and floral lace in our metallic. And then I can't. Just the cuteness overload, of course, of our whimsy characters. So if you've been following along, that teapot works back with our whimsy. That cookie jar works back with our whimsy. And of course, our centerpiece, our adorable platters. Those are our snowmen and snowmen. Oh, by the way, just a reminder, if you spend $100 on Temptations up until this evening, this promo ends tonight. If you spend $100, on your Q card on Temptations, then we're going to send you that cookbook for free. How fun is that? And there's over 200 great recipes. We partnered with the Taste of Home folks, and they have all home cooks who send in their recipes, and we just picked our favorite 200, made them in, of course, all of those beautiful bakers, and away we go. That clock would look beautiful in a hutch. I agree, Lisa. Wow, absolutely. Okay, we've been bursting. We've been so excited to share all of this with you. So excited that Lisa is going to chat tonight on our Facebook page at 9 p.m. So I'm sure you guys know we try to mix up our chats because we know a lot of you work, 9 to 5. Some of you work late night. Some of you work overnight, all different shifts, West Coast, East Coast. So tonight, Lisa wants to chat with all of you at 9 p.m. So if you have any questions, if you want to talk about anything, Temptations, she will be there to answer all of your questions. I honestly could just keep panning this table the entire time. Again, just going to show you that tea kettle. All limited edition. Oh, Annette, good. I'm so glad. Glad he's home, that he didn't have a heart attack. Annette and Suzanne are talking. Sending prayers to both of you for what sounds like very good news. There is that beautiful tea kettle, a teapot that we were talking about. Limited edition. Once they're gone, they're gone. Same thing with the clocks. Okay, there's your sufficient check-in and sneak peek on everything that's coming up. So I am on around just before 8 p.m. Eastern time on QVC, so come check it out. I'll be back to back with both products, the teapot and the clocks. Okay, and make sure to jump on and say a quick hello to Lisa at 9. And if you have where's the church? Okay, see, I was going to wrap it up, but now I'm going to walk over and show you the church. Hold, please. So we debuted the church the other evening. And the reason why I did the church, let me tell you about this, because it's very special to me. My father, growing up, was maniacal about our village scene. And he would always go and get that, like the cotton that looks like snow, and he'd have glitter in it. And painstakingly, we would take them all out of the box. And my sister and I, when you're a kid, you don't really appreciate all of this. We would take it out and he would set it up. And now it's become such a tradition and something that I fondly look back on, like most things I think in our life. When you're younger, you just don't understand truly how special some moments are. And I think as we get older and we become adults, sometimes we don't either. So this was just such a beautiful reminder of not only being able to nestle this in as a village scene, also a cookie jar, but you have the warm glow of the congregation on the inside, the beautiful bow that you see on the outside, the wreath, the Christmas trees. No matter which way you're looking at it, it's so sweet. I don't know what's inside. Oh, empty inside. And it has a gasket. So again, there is your church. It's a choice of your church or the little gingerbread house. Ooh. Guess who almost just knocked over that tower of desserts? Yep, that was almost a very big fail. Okay, so anyway, so nice that all of you could jump on. So nice to hear from all of you. Jump on at 9 p.m. on our Facebook page right here. And Lisa would love to chat with you. And I hope you guys enjoy the show and all things Temptations. I'll see you soon. Live studio audience, 7 p.m. on Wednesday. And check our calendar. Go over to temptations.com. Lisa's on tomorrow, Monday, I believe with Mary, with a special In the Kitchen edition. So that's fun. And, you know, we keep on going. All right, everybody. Bye.